Greetings and thanks for dropping by for the latest edition of Mentor Mike's Market Movie. Today is Wednesday, April 4, 2012, and it looks like we have a short trade right out of the box here. So I'm going to go ahead and place the order and draw the arrow, and let's start the data. All right. Now, this looks like it could be the end of a bearish impulse pattern, especially because of the divergence on the MACD. So that being the case, we might have enough of an up move despite the bearish alignment of the moving averages, where we can hit the first target on the long side. I'm waiting until we get a confirmed signal like this, and now we get long. Okay. Now, the real movement here is primarily down at this point, so I think this was a corrective bounce of some sort, but we really want to get lower. So I'm going to reverse this. Okay, stopped out. Now, looks like we have a chance to get short again right out of the box after that long trade. Oh, there we go. Now, I think we can probably get short again. Yeah, there we go. And we're about to be flipping the parabolic here, so teeny little arrow. Now, we're probably still into some kind of corrective move here, and short is the direction we definitely want to go. Alright, we've got crossovers, triple alignment. This thing's about ready to flip. I think we better get short. Alright. Let's pause it while I draw the arrow. Ooh, we got a nice drop here. Again, this would be one of those places where it'd be nice to have the third target. See if we get a chance to take another bite of the apple. Alright, looks like things want to head lower. Let's see if they go low enough to make us a little more money. Oh yeah, that's what we like. Well, we've got a crossover here. We've got both stochastics angling up. This particular price bar just went down, but that can work to our advantage. So let's get along. Let's try it again. Looks like we got another bite of the apple here. Okay. Now, we got the parabolic flip, but we don't have a crossover here or here. So let's hang just a little bit longer. All right, now we're just about there. I think that's a good place to get short. There we go. Now, I'm thinking that we have something like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in which case, when this thing turns, there's probably going to be a corrective wave that's going to go up at least to this long-term moving average. So I think it'd be a pretty safe bet to trade on the long side once we see a turnaround. Okay, we got the stochastic and a crossover. The MACD and the parabolic are almost ready, so let's get long. And we'll go ahead and draw the arrow. All right. Looking for the turnaround. There we go. Looks like we got another turnaround here. Alright, let's see if we can catch this. This went all the way up to there, right? That was not a separate trade. And now, this is 1 minute to 1, so this is not a trade I would have taken in real life, but you never know. We're actually past the time, so let's just close this out. And run this clock out. I think we got a little extra data here. All right, $1,612.50 on our 3 contracts. And a boatload of trades. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14-0. Thanks for dropping by. We'll see you again tomorrow.